Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to recover private TikTok videos on the TikTok application. So make sure you watch the video to its fullest and follow these simple steps. So first we need just to log in into our account. So just open the application and make sure you're logged in. After that you will need just to go to profile and after that and here we will find our private videos. So basically, this is a private here. So if you were like saving your videos after each upload, you can find them in the gallery and then re-upload them. So basically, you will be able like to have already saved the video and or if you have Android, it might be saved automatically into your phone. So basically, you will need just to click on the plus sign and then you will need just to upload and then you will find your videos there on your gallery. Otherwise, if you don't have them in the gallery, you will need just to recover all your data by requesting your data from the TikTok application, and you will have your data that will be recovered, and then you can re-upload your deleted content. So we need just to go to the navigation bar, settings, and privacy. After that, we will need just to go to account. Then here we will find download your data. So basically you will get a copy of your TikTok data and including all your videos. So here you will need just to request the data and after that, as you can see, you can include your video history and all the history that you have. Then you will need just to click on request data and you will get your own data after 1 day up to 2 days. And then you will go here to download data and in your request, you will find the data that you have requested. Let's go back again. And here you can be able to download all your files. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.